Today we will solve a very interesting problem. On the circle there are the 2 points are given and center of the circle is passing through this line and asked us to find the equation of the circle. What is the meaning of the equation? Here, right? It's just x comma y relation. Okay. So if you take the randomly any point on the circle, that is the x comma y. So there is some relation between the x and y. Okay. That relation equation we need to find, right? Don't memorize any formulas, okay? With a simple step, we can write this circle equation here. Let's take center of the circle is h comma k, okay? Let's take center O and any point P. What is the OP distance here? It is the radius R, right? Okay. How do you find the OP distance? It's the distance between the 2 points. That is square root of difference between the x coordinates. That is x minus h whole square plus difference between the y coordinates, that is y minus k whole square equal to r. Okay, squaring both sides of the equation, what do we get? It is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, so this is the circle equation. Okay, so they asked us to find the circle equation. Then what does it mean? We need to find the h, k and r. If you find these three things, then we can write the circle equation relation between the x and y variables. Okay, so let's take 2 points are given over the circle. Okay, then that is one point is 4 comma 1, another point is 6 comma 5. Okay, so these 2 points are passing through the circle. That means these 2 points satisfy that xy relation, right? That means we need to substitute these 2 points into the base equation. Let's take this the base equation 1. Okay, so let's substitute the first point 4 comma 1. Then what is mean? Okay, it is became like 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, let's take this the equation number 2. Then it also passes through the 6 comma 5, right? Then what is that? 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, there's a line passing through the, so the line equation is given. Okay, so what is the line equation is given? It is 4h plus y. Okay, so there's a line passing, center of the circle is passing through that line. What does it mean? Okay, so it must satisfy this line equation, right? So we have another equation, that is 4x. What is the x here? H is the coordinates of the center, right? Plus k equal to 16. Okay, so this is the fourth equation. So how many equations we have? We have 3 equations here. 1, 2, 3. How many unknowns we have? H, k and r. Okay, 3 equations, 3 unknowns. We can solve. Let's see how do we solve this. Just observe it. Okay, how do we solve this? So these are the 3 equations we have. Okay, so how to solve? So I can give you a clue here very easily. See here. So here we have the equation with between the h and k, right? Here h and k. So if you make another equation with h and k, then that will become 2 equations with 2 variables that we can solve easily. From these 2 equations, you can notice that the right side we have the same r square. Okay, so that we can equate the left hand sides on these 2 equations, so that we'll get the equation with h and k. Okay, so let's do that one. Okay, so if you expand this one, left hand side one here, so it's a minus b whole square. So a square is 16 plus h square minus 2 into a means 8h, right? Okay, plus 1 square is 1 plus k square minus 2k, right? This must be equal to, so I'm left hand side one, I'm just substituting here. Okay, what is that? 6 square is 36 plus h square minus 12h plus 5 square is 25 plus k square minus 10k, right? So if you notice this here, so both sides h square is get cancelled and k square get cancelled, right? I will skip some of these steps to the time constraint. Okay, so I'll simplify this. If you see these 2 equations, we have the 4h terms, right? That's why I'm not simplifying this equation by taking common 4 again, right? Like that. Okay, simply this 4h, right? you can substitute from 4h to this equation here. So 4h can be replaced with 16 minus k, right? So that I will replace 4h with 16 minus k here, okay? Plus 8k, and I am sending this minus 44 equal to 0, right? So if 8k minus k is 7k minus 44 minus 16, 28 equal to 0. 7k equal to 28, k is equal to 4, right? Now we got one number, right? Let's substitute this k into this base equation, like 4h plus k equal to 16. Okay, so what is the k value here? 4, right? So 4h plus 4 equal to 16. So 4h is equal to 16 minus 4, 12. So h is equal to 3. Oh my God. Now we know the center of the circle is 3, 4. Okay. So we know the 2 points on this circle, that is 4, 1 and other is 6, 5, right? So let's take the 4, 1. Okay. Now this is the center and this is the point on the circle. Let's find distance between these 2 points. That's the radius, right? That is square root of difference between the x coordinates, that is 4 minus 3 whole square, plus difference between the y coordinates, that is 1 minus 4 whole square. Okay. So we can do it and substitute any of this equation also, we'll get it same thing. Okay. I did not do anything difference. Okay. So r is equal to square root of 4 minus 3 is the 1 square 1 plus 1 minus 4 is 3. 3 square is the 9. So that's equal to square root of 10. Okay. So now radius is square root of 10 and the center is 3, 4. They ask the circle equation, right? How do you write the circle equation? It is just x minus center 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to r square. R square is the square root, whole square is 10. Okay, this is the circle equation. How do you expand this? Plus 9 minus 6x, right? Plus y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to 10, right? The circle equation can be written like x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y. So here 10, 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 minus 10, 15, right? So plus 15 equal to 0. Now let me check in the graph this one. Okay. So here I marked the points here. You are seeing this too, right? So this is the point, is the 4, 1 point in the coordinate system. There's another point 6, 5. Okay. And this is the line actually. Line equation is the 4h plus y equal to 16. Okay. So center is lying on this, right? So let me write the circle equation directly here. I just drawn a circle here that you can see here, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 10. Okay. That automatically passing through the point 6, 5 and 4, 1. Now we know the center 3, 4, right? Let's see that 3 and 4 is there in this line or not. Okay. So now I'll mark the point 3, 4. You can check it here. Okay. So you can see here, this point is 3, 4. That's lying on the line equation 4x plus y equal to 16. Okay. See now D point is there. So this all these points along this circle, okay, will satisfy the equation of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 10. Okay. 2 of the points are 4, 1, 6, 5. Okay. Center of the circle is 3, 4. Thank you. If you like the video, press the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.